Assalamu alaikum viewers, good morning. Hope you are enjoying winter and today I will show you how you can blend two images. Let's start our video. Create a design, go to custom size, go to elements, go to apps, select image blender, blend selected image. Like this. You can increase the strength or decrease the strength like here. And you can use radial as well, but I have to use linear one. Like this. I will use here like in this way. Save. Hope you will like this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, share my videos, like my videos and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz till my next video.